Microsoft promises to make Copilot for M365 more available soon. And it raises more questions than answers. So let's talk. The way Microsoft announces licensing changes recently is absolutely bizarre. They announce it in a blog post. So there's no guarantee that it's going to materialize exactly as they said it in the blog post. And in the professional licensing community, we have a saying, it's not in product terms. It does not exist. However, let's assume that what they promised is going to be implemented exactly. Let's read. To empower every organization to become AI-powered, we are making Copilot available to businesses of all types and sizes, including frontline worker plans. Customers that have Microsoft 365 F3 and F1, Office 365 E1, Business Basic, and more will be eligible to purchase Copilot for Microsoft 365 in the coming weeks. If that is truly to happen as announced, it's good news. Or is it? The price still stands at $30 per user per month. Microsoft 365 F3 for frontline workers, and I'll explain to you what frontline workers are in a few seconds, costs $8 per user per month. Copilot is $30 per user per month. So to add Copilot to the basic plan, you have to start paying almost 5 times more. And if you look at the price of Microsoft 365 F1, the basic plan for frontline workers, that is only $2.25 per user per month. Add Copilot to it and the price explodes. We've spoken to almost 100 different professionals in the industry, asking them exactly the same question. Why do you think would somebody, one of your clients, procure Microsoft 365 Copilot for a frontline worker? What are the use cases? Is it going to be a delivery driver creating a colorful PowerPoint presentation on his tablet whilst driving to the next client? Or a nurse in a hospital asking Excel to analyze average temperature across the hospital? And I'm sure there are use cases, but we just couldn't figure them out yet. See, if you don't know, frontline workers are those delivery drivers, nurses, people in factories that are at the front line. There's even a limit on the screen size, which basically limits them to small to medium-sized handheld devices. And by their nature, they don't work massively with standard Office applications like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, or anything else like it. The only easily believable target audience here is users of the Microsoft 365 Business Basic, those who may heavily use the online versions of Microsoft 365 applications. Frontline workers are perhaps more suitable for the cut-down version, which is just called Copilot and included by default in plans like E3 and E5. So with this uncertainty, why is Microsoft doing this? Is there a popular demand? Are clients chasing Microsoft and saying, we want to start paying you $32 instead of $2 for all our frontline workers starting tomorrow? Or are they just democratizing Copilot for the sake of being available to everyone, if you wish so? Or is there not enough uptake, which I doubt? At least 40% of our client base is at least considering or piloting Copilot now. And if there isn't enough uptake, why don't they just review the pricing model? Because the flat price of $30 per user per month, regardless of the industry, the size, the plan, it just seems bizarre and highly unusual for Microsoft. The other question is, when exactly? Microsoft is promising in the next few weeks. Our prediction is it's going to be the 1st of April, because that is usually when Microsoft introduces the biggest changes into licensing. However, Copilot does not follow that exact schedule of 1st of April and 1st of October each year. Changes to Copilot licensing may come mid-month. So let's wait a few weeks and let's see what it will look like in the Microsoft product terms. And the last and probably the most important bit is, what is the return on investment, substantial investment in Microsoft 365 Copilot? If you want to learn about our professional considerations, please watch this video and I'll see you soon on Some Expert TV.